You know, traveling can be absolutely different, and I'm going to tell you about various kinds of it from my experience. The first one is exotic holiday on the island Cyprus. Oh, how extraordinary the nature is there! Everywhere you can see palm trees and other unusual plants. They are completely different from those we are used to see in Belarus. Also, you will be amazed by local fish. It was imported from China some years ago, and now tourists who visit Cyprus can see this big colorful fish almost in every hotel pool. The sea, it seems endless. This stunning view attracts you so that you can't stop looking at it. So blue. Real pleasure for those who want to soak up the atmosphere of paradise. The next type of traveling is for those who seek for adventures. Last year, a group of friends and me went to Berlin by car to buy new iPhones. 12 hours road and we are finally in Berlin. Having arrived near the Apple store, we joined the queue. In a queue the whole night, on the street. But the nearby hotel provided us with blankets and pillows. At 8 o'clock, Apple store opened the doors and at 9:30 we were inside. And after a few minutes we were happy owners of new iPhones. So, if you want to try something adventurous, try this. And the last one is a romantic journey. Of course, the best place for it is Paris, the city of love. This city is situated on the Seine River, over which a lot of bridges are built. Walking near this river gives you lots of pleasant emotions. Cozy streets with cute buildings put you into Parisian atmosphere, and certainly the main place to visit, a worldwide famous Eiffel Tower, from which you can see the whole Paris in all its beauty. Also, you can rent apartments which are decorated in Parisian style, so that even at home you can feel romantic atmosphere of Paris. Choose the option that suits you most and enjoy your vacation fully.